Hi, we're going to look at doing some things in Google. We have Google things we can do that can help us in our everyday lives, help us in our jobs. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have a Google account, which is basically you go and get a Gmail account, okay? But we're going to go into google.com, okay? While you're here, you can see you have Gmail, images, and then you have a little box that says Google. If you look, it pops up and says Google Apps. Click on it. You have your account, search, maps, news, play, YouTube, your Gmail right there, Drive. One is translate. We'll go into there. You can translate anything. Some people who have jobs that deal with minorities or people who don't speak English very well, you can go in, put this Google Translate on your phone or even in your computer. You can type, say, from English to Spanish. You type in English and you can say hello. Oops, let's type it better. And we can take it to Spanish. Hola, which means hi, hey, go from there. You have your Google Drive, which, you can keep stuff for your classroom. Teachers keep stuff to their classroom. Here I've gotten a couple of games going on, grammar review. Google Drive is really good for, you can set up homework assignments for students. If they're gone, teachers can or parents can get in there and look at things like this is a homework assignments that need to be gone through. Parents can look at it and say, hey, my son wasn't there. What's for homework? There you go. So you can look at that. Other things you can find in here is photos. You can store your photos in Google. There's docs. You can find templates for many things. You can keep contacts. You have Google Classroom. That's where you can go in and you set up for your students to go in. You can find, how do you find these two lessons were easy to do and understandable. You can ask questions. This is where you can, as a teacher, say, hey, this is our web page for our class. Go in there and check it periodically. Make sure parents can get in there and look at it and go from there. This is something that will become easy for teachers to do, and it'll keep the open lines of communications between teachers, students, and parents. And you can even make it to where they can add comments and go from there. They can even, if they need to, turn in classwork. So there's the stream. Students can go in and go from there. It gives you a code to give to the students to go into if they need it. Parents can have the same code. So, and like I said, many things can go in there. You can use it for your business, books, shopping, your financial stuff. But Google.com has a lot of things when you go in there that helps students, teachers, business people, even people who just work from home and things like that. So when you need to do something, you can go and do that. Like I said, on Google Drive, you have things you can do. There's My Drive, quick access to things, just wanted you to know. Just find what you need to know for homework. You have PDFs, Family Feud, things I've made. It's just something that's really good for kids to use, parents to know about, and it helps them to get together. There's the news, as you can see, some news. There's Google Play, which, offers you music, you can rent movies, and things like that. Again, Google.com is a good thing because they have things on there for students, parents, teachers, business owners, etc. So when you go in there, it can help so many people, and I think it's a good thing for teachers and students and parents. So it's something for everybody to be able to use. It's free, which is one big plus. So look into it, explore it, and see what you think.